This is the help video for Educational Technology Activity A3. In Activity A3, you'll be required to create a classroom newsletter for a first grade class for the beginning of the year. This activity should be appropriate to be emailed to students' parents. You do not have to author the information and data yourself. You may use my wording and data from a sample posted on Falcon Link. You are required to create and format your own newsletter with the following technology components. You should create a colored texture background for your page, a border for your page, a watermark for your page, an appropriate title chosen from the Styles menu, an automatically updating date, a picture of yourself or a pseudo teacher that is placed at the top right-hand corner of the paper in a box using a layout format that will allow phone number and email address to be included at the bottom of the picture and the edges of the picture to be specially formatted. Drop caps for the first sentence in each paragraph, a text box building block, a list created with set tabs and leader dots, a line graph, a hyperlink, a word art entry, and a footer building block with appropriate font size, coloring, and page number. Again, you do not have to create your own data unless you want to. You can use the data from my sample Word project and simply format yours according to your own style. The sample project on Falcon Link looks like this. This video will help you create a background similar to this, choose a border, and create the watermark. In order to do that, of course, you must start your project by going to the File menu, telling it that you want to create a new project. A blank document works just fine, and press Create. You're going to go up to the ribbon and press Page Layout. To get your color and background, you go to Page Color. If you just want color, you could choose from any color here in this palette of colors simply by clicking on that color. But we wanted to do a texture, so we're going to go to Fill Effects. Again, we could choose to upload a picture from our picture file and use it as a background. We could choose a pattern, or we can choose a texture. Your requirement is to create a texture. You may create any texture that you like from this group of selections. I believe I chose something similar to that. And now I have my texture. In order to create a border, I simply click on Page Borders at the top. Right now I have none. I can create just a simple box. I can create a box with a shadow. I can create a 3D effect or customize it. I'm going to choose the shadow. Because I want a pretty bold one, obviously this is the size of your line here with width. I'm going to go to 4.5 point to make it pretty wide. I've got the shadow. I could make line style could be different. There's lots to choose from. I'm going to go with that. And that's what I've created. To create a watermark, I simply go to Watermark. I can choose from any of the watermarks available or create a custom one. Because this is a sample document, I'm going to choose between these two, and I'm going to choose to the horizontal watermark listed sample. And I'm ready to start. I have my page formatted, and I'm ready to start the content of my letter.